MBA colleges accepting CMAT and the paper pattern of CMAT examination. So basically giving an idea about what the CMAT exam is all about and whether you should apply based on the colleges that are. So been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam. So we do have courses for XAT, SNAP, CET, CAT. If you're interested, contact us. Now coming to CMAT colleges, I mean the best college right now is JBIMS, which is among the top 10. But apart from JBIMS, you will realize that there are none of the other top 20-25 colleges which are there under CMAT. So, and JBIMS do accept scores through the cap round. The cap round that happens in Maharashtra cap rounds, where they accept different scores. So, the top 7-8 students from CMAT do get into JBIMS. But yes, there is no GDPI, etc. Same as SIMSI do gets to cap round. Pumba admission is to cap round. For Wellinger, for there are two courses. For MMS course for Mumbai, they do have a cap round. For else, they can directly apply. So Somaya, Wellinger, IFMR Chennai, SIS, you can apply directly to those colleges, and then they will have their own process of GDPI, etc. Right. So if you look at it, I mean, apart from the top few colleges, others are not very great. But if you want to do an MBA and if you don't mind getting into colleges beyond the top 30, 40, then you should apply to. You can apply to CMAT. Now, other colleges there is BIMTech, Noida, Christ Bangalore, Exami Bangalore, IMM, Bhubaneswar, Jaipur, Lucknow. These are colleges which do accept CMAT. Apart from that, there are many other colleges, Balaji, Pune, etc., which do accept CMAT scores. So you can apply to those colleges. I mean, if you're looking at doing an MBA from a decent, I'm not saying good, from a decent institute, you can apply to CMAT. But these are all the colleges which are there, which do accept CMAT scores, and you can apply to it. Right. If you look at a paper pattern, I mean, a little different. There are two sections. One is general awareness, which is in CMAT, and innovation and entrepreneurship. Technically, these are normally not any other entrance exam, but it's there in CMAT. Each, there are 5 sections, each of 20 questions each. The 20 questions content here, 20 questions logic, 20 questions language, that is verbal. Then 20 questions general awareness, 20% innovation and entrepreneurship. Each is +4 -1. So 100 questions of 400 marks in total. It is 180 minutes. So you have ample time to solve the paper. But yes, if you really want to crack the examination, you need to be good at GK. Innovation and entrepreneurship is what you need to read and study. You can pick up any management related books and read about theory on innovation and entrepreneurship. Also know about what is happening in the startups, government regulations for innovation and entrepreneurship. I will come up with note for that. That's different matter. But this is what the whole idea of paper pattern is. So think about it. I mean, the last date is mid-November. So if you're really applying, you need to think about it and apply. Right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to management entrance exams.